Gotta point out all the flaws.
725 horsepower.
Yeah, 2J swap.
POV. Sheesh.
All right, this video finna be long.
Got those off Panda Buy. Dirty.
Yeah, it is. Oh, it's got an aftermarket Blitz intercooler. Hope you can hear me. Intercooler is pretty recent.
Get the start up. Ooh. Shit don't start up. Damn, bro. Let me see it.
You can see it on the front on this. Shit got a rough idle out of nowhere. Right before a trade? Why? It's never done this. It's getting, what's this? What'd you do, bro?
What? No, he blaming me because he gonna miss some gears. Watch.
No, just look.
What happened?
It's not shifting smooth. It feels like something's blocking it.
Because your shit's fucked up now.
Because you keep playing with it, that's why.
That's not even a thing. You're probably out of fluid. Bro hasn't changed his fluid since he got the car.
Look at that. It's never that hard, bro.
You just gotta drive it more. Because it has rough idle, so maybe it's just not getting enough pressure.
They could just yap it. That's not a thing. Dang, bro. That's sad. Trying to make me go.
I be doing it.
Do you hold? Nah.
Oh, let's see a little clutch kick.
No, I'm gonna slide this bitch and wreck. I ain't slid in a minute. Completely ruin all chances.
About to be like, damn, I want one.
Man, whoa, what is that noise?
Imagine having one of these.
Dang, big barn.
You could probably low-key get a barn. Sheesh. Got my POV now.
Trash guys.
Jeez, bro. And this nigga be in his fields, bro. Broken hearts and shit.
Sheesh.
Niggas, man.
Just don't want to. He gonna hit my shit.
Imagine. The insurance though, 40 racks.
Yeah, I do got full coverage on this bit.
Trash truck. truck some shit.
Germany.
Germany for y'all, little Germany POV. But the house is ooh. Bro won't.
I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. Should be wild, wreck. Can't risk it, bro. It drifts like, bro. It drifts easy. Shit's scary. It's on.
I ain't got the mics. Sheesh. Look at the door though. Ooh. This nigga ugly as fuck. This ain't even an S15, bro. This is a Nissan Cube. Remapped.